This is a usability study between Yale University and Harvard University utilizing their school websites in order to determine the accessibility and ease of navigation for quite a few different topics. For many high school students today, college is the next step in high school after high school in continuing their education. So with the number of options ever expanding from year to year, our students can get overwhelmed by the overload of information. So this usability study was created to examine the similarities and differences between two Ivy League universities, Yale University and Harvard University, as seen. The study was conducted using a cognitive walkthrough of each university's website as an applying undergraduate student. So basically as a high school student that is seeking to attend one of these universities for their collegiate career. There were 10 tasks that were evaluated for their accessibility of information as well as their ease of navigation. These tasks were, one is the overall, the website was easy to navigate overall. Two was the admission requirements and deadlines are easily accessible for undergraduate students. Three is the application process, including required materials and deadlines, are easily available and clear to follow. Four is the academic departments and degree offerings are clearly outlined and defined. Five is contacting the departments was simple to perform. And then six was the cost of attendance and financial aid information is easily accessible, including scholarship information and application process and deadlines. Seven is including housing options and requirements are easy to find and clearly outlined. Eight is information on student life and extracurricular activities and involvement is easy to find and clearly to navigate. Nine was student-led research is easily accessible and clear to navigate. And finally, 10 is was a virtual tour available, easy to find and take, and alternatively, or schedule a guided tour and visit of campus, is that available and easy to schedule. These were the 10 tasks that was examined within this usability study, just to look at common things that the high school student is looking for within a college or a university. There were 5 test metrics that were studied, and it was in comparing both universities through their websites. The 5 metrics were they efficient, effective, engaging, error tolerance, and easy to learn. So things that you typically want in a website that is going to be user-friendly. These were evaluated using the Likert scale for usability, and that's the typical scale that you see when most times you're having to answer how you agree or disagree with a statement that's written for you. Do you agree to it? Do you disagree with it? Throughout doing this usability study, I determined that both Yale University and Harvard University share an equal low usability score, which gives both of their websites a usability rating of exceptional. This basically states that all of the information on either website was extremely easy to find and navigate and understand. All information in regards to deadlines, when to submit information, what information was required was clearly stated and dictated on the website, as well as all information within housing, cost, financial aid, student life, degree options, degree programs, departments. All of that information is extremely clear and illicit on their website. This is due to the fact that most of the universities that we have in our society today, they do put effort, they do put funds in creating their websites that have a low usability score and a high usability rating, so that way their websites are more user friendly, which allows for more students and more people to use their websites and gain that information, which does lead to an increase in enrollment. So overall, this usability study can be utilized for more universities besides the 2 present within our example. It is something that you can apply left and right and alter the different methods and questions. But this is a very good basic usability study for my students to be able to determine some of the universities they want to look at based on the user friendliness of their websites.